In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on any Android phone. If your Wi-Fi randomly turns off, drops every few minutes, or shows as connected but doesn't actually load anything, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through a series of simple checks and settings you can adjust to make your connection more stable. First, start by restarting both your phone and your Wi-Fi router. On your phone, hold the power button and tap Restart. Then, go to your router. Unplug it from the power source. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds and plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully reboot. This clears temporary glitches on both devices and often fixes random disconnections. Next, on your Android phone, open the Settings app and go to the Wi-Fi or network section. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and that you are connected to the correct network. If you see multiple networks with similar names, double-check that you're using the right one, especially if some of them are weaker or open networks. Now, tap on your connected Wi-Fi network name and look for an option like Forget Network, or Remove. Confirm that you want to forget it. Once it's removed, go back to the Wi-Fi list, tap your network again, and reconnect by entering the password. This step resets the connection profile, which can fix problems caused by corrupted or outdated settings. After that, look for any advanced Wi-Fi settings on your phone. This might be under Advanced, Additional Settings, or Wi-Fi Preferences. Here, turn off any features like Wi-Fi power-saving modes, aggressive network switching, or options that say something like Switch to mobile data automatically. These features sometimes cause the phone to jump between Wi-Fi and mobile data, which feels like constant disconnects. Also, check if there is a setting that disables Wi-Fi when the screen is off, or when the phone is in sleep mode, and set it to keep Wi-Fi on at all times. This helps avoid your connection dropping whenever you stop actively using the phone. It's also a good idea to update your Android system and any router firmware if you can access your router's settings. On your phone, go to System or Software Update and install any pending updates, as they often include network stability fixes. Finally, test your connection by streaming a video or browsing for a few minutes. If the Wi-Fi stays connected and stable, you're done. If the issue continues, try moving closer to the router or removing any physical obstacles, as weak signal strength can also cause frequent drops. Follow these steps carefully, and your Android Wi-Fi connection should become much more reliable.